Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Using Proton Calendar gives you a private way to manage your schedule. First, access it through your web browser at calendar.proton.me or download the dedicated Proton Calendar app on your smartphone. Once logged in with your Proton account, you'll see your main calendar view. To create a new event, simply click or tap the plus sign, usually found in the bottom right or top left corner, or click directly on a time slot in your calendar. A new event window will pop up. Enter your event title first. This is crucial. Next, set the date and time. You can choose specific start and end times or mark it as an all-day event. Add a description if needed, perhaps for meeting notes or a grocery list. You can also include a location. Proton Calendar encrypts all this information end-to-end, keeping your schedule private from prying eyes. You can create multiple calendars within Proton Calendar. This helps organize different aspects of your life, like work, personal, or family events. Each calendar can have its own color for easy visual distinction. To switch between them or create a new one, look for the calendar list on the left side of your screen on the web, or within the app's menu. You can also share calendars securely with other Proton users. Explore the Settings menu to customize notification preferences and your calendar's appearance. It's designed for straightforward, secure scheduling.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.